Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. It is 10:29. I will wait for my friends to join in. Every day at 10:30, we revisit the problem of the day from yesterday, and I give you a new problem of the day to solve. And we also do a listening comprehension story. And today we're going to do a story extension. Hi, Ago. How are you? Good to see you back. Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining in. So today I want to start by saying hi and welcome back. It's 10:30. It's terrific Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. It's our 12th day of remote learning. You guys are doing awesome. It hasn't been easy, but we're making it happen, right? So today is also the last day of March. Do you know what comes next? It is the last day of March. Yes, after March comes April. Yes, so today is the last day of March, this terrific Tuesday. Hi, Newberries. Hi, Catherine. I'm so happy you're here with us. So we are going to go over the problem of the day and how to solve. So I want to show two ways to solve. My friends shared with me their solutions. I think they did a great job. So we always talk about, hi, Ms. Adonisio, we always talk about making sure first that we understand the problem. We don't just look at the numbers and say, okay, I'm going to add or subtract with these numbers. We have to make sure that we understand what the problem is asking us. So the problem that we are going to solve together was this from yesterday. Ben collects 6 white rocks and 2 red rocks. How many rocks did Ben collect? So Ben is collecting rocks. He collected some and then some more. And now we need to know how many he has. So is the number going to get bigger or smaller? I always think about that first. Yeah, the number's going to get bigger. So let's show it. Let's act it out with manipulatives. And you can use anything around your house. You don't always have to draw. You can act it out and take a picture. So I'm going to scooch this down. So we know that Ben collects 6 white rocks and 2 red rocks. I'm going to use these little Easter egg erasers that I have for the white rocks. Maybe you have white rocks from outside, but I'm going to count out 6 because I know that Ben collected 6 white rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I'm going to count and check just to make sure I have the right amount. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count and touch is always important. All right, Ben collects 6 white rocks and 2 red rocks. He had collected 2 red rocks, so he collected these and then some more. So I'm going to use these chips that I have that are red on one side, and I'm going to show how many red rocks? Yeah, 2. 1, 2. And I'm going to put the rest of my manipulatives off to the side. So Ben collected 6 white rocks and 1, 2 red rocks. How many rocks did Ben collect? Well, we need to know altogether how many he collected. So that sounds like we're adding, we're totaling it all up together. So there's different ways that we can solve. You can start with 6 and count on 6, 7, 8, or you can count them all up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so we know Ben collected 8 rocks, right? 8, but we need to show an equation. Let's talk about how we would show our equation for this story problem. So how many white rocks did Ben collect first? Very good, he collected 6. So I'm going to write my 6. And then we said that he collected some more. So would that be addition or subtraction? So remember, addition is putting together and subtraction is taking away or taking apart. Did you say addition? Good job. Down. Over. All right, 6 plus, and then how many red rocks did Ben collect? Did you say 2? Awesome. Half a heart, he's wearing a shoe. That's how we make a number 2. So let's read what we have so far. 6 plus 2. Good job. What goes next? Do we just write 6 plus 2, 8? Yeah, you said it. We need an equal sign. Equals. Now let's read it again. 6 plus 2 equals how many all together? And you counted it up and you told me 8. Very good. 8 is great. Now we'll read the whole thing. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now, say you just wanted to use your paper and pencil to solve this problem and not use manipulatives. We can show white rocks, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as the white rocks, and then 2 more red, 1, 2, and I'm going to put an R in those red ones so I know that they're red. So I have 6 white plus how many red? 2 equals, and all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Or you could have counted on, like we said, we knew that the first set was 6 and count on 7, 8. Awesome job solving the problem of the day. Are you ready to see the new problem of the day? I am ready to show you. This one's a little trickier. Do you have your thinking caps on? There are 8 red and blue blocks. Livia has 3 blocks. How many blue blocks does Johnny have? I highly recommend that after we understand what the problem's asking us, that we draw a picture to solve. Okay, we're going to draw a picture to solve. And don't forget your equation. Those equations are very important. So I have a new story today. I'm really excited to share my new story with you. Let me just move all this stuff out of the way. Today's story, when we read, I really want us to make a personal connection to this story. A text to me, a connection is really important. And we're going to make some text to me and some text to world connections while we read. This story is called Words Are Not for Hurting, and it's written by Elizabeth Verdick, and it's illustrated by Marika Henlin. Words are not for hurting. Just by the title, I love it already, because words aren't for hurting, and we all know that words can hurt. We can make a connection right away and remember a time probably where words hurt us, but we don't want our words to hurt. Hi, helpers. Hi, Adam. Adam, drop me your kids' names in here so I can say hi and give them a shout out. Words are not for hurting. Did you know that it takes only 26 letters to make millions of words? Wow, that's interesting. 26 letters. Well, that's how many letters are in our alphabet. And it can make millions of words. Think about a dictionary. There's so many words in there. Some words are super short. Hi, no, bye, yes, and don't forget D-O-G, dog. Some words are really long. Thingamajig, Mississippi, abracadabra. And some are just plain silly. Wiggly giggly, cock-a-doodle-doo. That's one of those onomatopoeia words that we were talking about last week, the sound words. Do you remember that? Hi, Miss Jones. Shout out to Miss Jones from GLC. Words help you say lots of important things, like, I love you. Thank you for helping me. You're welcome. Sometimes your words are loud. Ready or not, here I come. And sometimes your words are soft. Shh, you're hiding. Sometimes your words are funny. Knock, knock. Who's there? Sometimes you even sing them. La, 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 la. I like to sing my words. Hi, Haley. Your words belong to you. You choose what to say and how to say it. Right? We have a choice in what words come out of our mouth. Your words can hurt or your words can help. These are helpful words. Let's work together. Do you want to share this with me? I'm glad we're friends. We can take turns. Those are great helpful words. I hear those a lot when we're in our classroom. Lots of helpers. These are hurtful words. You can't play with us. Your clothes are ugly. You're stupid. Get out of here. How did those words make you feel? They weren't even being said to me, and they make my heart hurt. Those are not kind words. Words are not for hurting. When you hear hurtful words, how do you feel? Maybe you feel sad. Maybe you feel mad. Maybe you even feel scared or mixed up or left out, or lots of other feelings too. So when you say hurtful words, how do you feel? Because you know what? We all say hurtful words sometimes. I want to stop and think about this for a minute. We all say hurtful things at times. Everyone has, right? No, we always talk about how nobody's perfect, and we all make mistakes. So think about maybe a time when you said hurtful words. How did you feel? Maybe you felt really sorry and you wished you hadn't said them. There's something you can do. You can try to take them back like this. I shouldn't have said those things, or I didn't mean it. There are two other words you could say. I'm sorry. Those two little words can be a big help. Yeah, I'm sorry can be a very big helper. When you hear hurtful words, what can you do? You can say, words are not for hurting. Please don't say those things. And we talk about this a lot, how we can stand up for ourselves and be polite. You can say, words are not for hurting. Please don't say those things. Will you practice that with me? Words are not for hurting. Please don't say those things. Or if it doesn't stop, you can go to a grown-up and you can tell a grown-up, he's teasing me. Can you help? Your words are so important. If you think before you speak, you can use your words very well. It only takes 26 letters to make millions of words. So you've got a lot of words to choose from. You can tell this to yourself and to others. Words are not for hurting. Can you say that with me? Words are not for hurting. This is a good reminder for everyone. It is for everyone, for grown-ups, for kids. It is a great reminder. So thinking about this story and about how powerful our words are, how our words are to help and not hurt, I thought that we could do a story extension. I think this is a great time to do a story extension. All you need is a plain piece of paper, or you can use your green notebook. The kids in my class I have at home. I took a plain piece of paper, and at the top, I wrote words that help. And I started thinking about, well, what words do I use that help? And I thought about, I use my words to help by teaching, right? So I drew a picture. There's me with my book and my letter cards and my word cards. And it even says Terrific Tuesday. It's my whiteboard, like over here. And some tense frames and different things that we're working on, teens, numbers, and tallies. And then I wrote 2 sentences. I wrote, this is me. This is me. And then my second sentence, I wrote, my words help by teaching. So what can you write about? What do you use your words in a way that, how can you help with your words and not hurt? How can you help? There's so many things you can use your words for. This made me think of the other book we read the other day about our hands. This story, Miss Kavanaugh's all-time favorite book, These Hands, that my college professor gave me. I've read this every single year to my students. These hands, and we talked about the things our hands can do, right? Our hands can help. And now we're talking about our words and how our words can help. I want you to really think of a good way that you can use your words to help, or how you already do use your words to help. I can't wait to see your pictures. I can't wait to see your sentences. Please send them pictures to me. Send me pictures and I will put them on our story. I will share them with our friends, your beautiful work. I'm so thankful that you've been joining with us. This is a great time to think about positive things, right? How our hands can help, how our words can help. And there's so many people out there helping right now, everybody, and it's beautiful. But how can you help from your house? All right, guys, I will see you 9 a.m. tomorrow on Wonderful Wednesday, and I can't wait. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Don't forget to get some exercise and be a helper in your house, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Mwah.